Westminster Shorter Catechism, question and answer 23. This is printed as 22, but this is actually 23. Question 23. It's a typographical error. Quaestio vicesima et tertia. Quae munera Christus ut redemptor noster obit? Christus qua tenus redemptor noster obit munera prophetae sacerdotis ac regis, cum in humiliationis, tum in exaltationis suae statu. The question then, quae munera, what duties? Munera is neuter, plural, and accusative from the third declension noun munus, muneris. It means a duty, an office, a function. It's a very common noun. It's modified by this interrogative adjective quae, which is in the same gender, number, and case. So what duties or what offices does Christ, ut redemptor noster, as our Redeemer, fulfill? Obit is third singular, present indicative active from the verb obeo, ob ire. What offices does Christ as our Redeemer fulfill? And then the answer, Christ, qua tenus redemptor noster, Christ, to the extent that, in his capacity as, this is what qua tenus means, our Redeemer fulfills, obit, munera, the offices. This also then, neuter, plural, accusative, same gender, number, and case as in the question. Of course, the same gender, but also the same number and case, fulfills the offices or the functions of a prophet, prophetae, sacerdotis of a priest, ac regis, and of a king. Each one of these is masculine, singular, and genitive. The first one, prophetae, is a first declension masculine. Sacerdotis and regis are third declension nouns. He fulfills these offices, these munera, prophet, priest, and king, cum in humiliationis, tum in exaltationis suae statu. This preposition in can take either the accusative when it indicates direction or the ablative when it indicates position or location. Here it's taking the ablative, but it's not humiliationis or exaltationis because these are both genitive. It's taking as its object statu, both in the estate of his humiliation and also in the statu, in the estate of his exaltation. So humiliationis and exaltationis are feminine, singular, genitive, third declension nouns, and they're modified by suae, this reflexive adjective. And cum, tum, here are used in a correlative sense, both and, which is very common in classical Latin and throughout the tradition.